My name is Ryan, and I'm the executive chef at Trixie's. The food is about refinement, not over-embellishing it, keeping it simple and elegant. I think you kind of see that in the decor and like what we're going for here. So we try to mimic that with the food. The Saganaki, I would say, is a Trixie staple. It's traditionally a Greek dish with Caccio cheese. It's a cheese that doesn't really melt and fall apart when it's heated up, but the preparation is exactly the same. Like we put 151 over it, light it on fire, serve it with toast, and then it comes with gremolata, which is basically like an herb sort of dressing over the top, lemon juice to extinguish the flame, and then you just go at it with bread. We're also going to be doing the asparagus salad. So this is kind of like a blast from my past. Like this dish, personally to me, has like a lot of great memories attached to it back when I worked in Madison. It's a buttermilk fromage. We serve it with grilled asparagus, prosciutto, toasted pepitas, pumpkin seed oil, and lemon zest. And for me, it just hits a spot. Like it's light enough to stand on its own as a salad, but like you have a lot of like savory elements to it, so it can like definitely fill you up if you want. We have grilled Russian Waters trout, which is out of Palmyra, Wisconsin, Russian Waters. We are putting a quick char on the outside of the skin. It's being served with grilled seasonal vegetables, a dried tomato puttanesca, grilled lemons, and then fresh herbs to top it off. Cacio e Pepe. We got our house-made black pepper spaghetti, Montemori cheese, and lemon juice. Simple as that, straightforward. It's basically like mac and cheese for adults. It's just gooey, rich, and it's really satisfying.